Oo, Mati, o ka na sa Sabado ka. Kay makadto kami sa papa ni Jinjin. Mga pulaw-pulaw kami ito. Oo, Sabado mo na eh. Di ka na kagawa.
Okay. Hello, dear Anna.
Hello, teacher.
Okay. So, my dear, which word can I put here? Next, my dear Anna. Oh, sorry. Again.
Room.
Okay, next.
Living room.
And the last one.
Dining room.
Very good. Good job. You did a great job. Next. So, my dear Anna, you have to look at the house. Okay. What color are these rooms? Okay, what color of the bathroom?
The bathroom is red and white.
Okay, again, my dear Anna, the color of the bathroom are
The color of the bathroom are red and white.
good job, my dear Anna. Very good. Next, the hall.
Matulog ka na. Matulog ang salita.
What color?
The color of the hall is white, purple,
Are you sure?
and
Are you sure that
brown.
is? Are you sure that is the hall, my dear? My dear Anna, are you sure that is the hall?
No,
Okay, where is the hole? What color is that?
the color of the hall and uh,
Okay, what color is that? This is the
the
hole, my dear. This is hole.
the color of the hall are brown and yellow.
Very good. Good job, my dear Anna. How about you, dear Lily? What color of the dining room?
Dining room color is blue, brown, and white.
Okay, good job. Very good. Or blue only. Very good, my dear Lily. Next, dear Lily, what color of living room? My dear Lily, what color of the living room?
Living room color is white, white, purple, and brown.
Okay, very good, my dear Lily. Again, can you say it again, my dear? The color of the living room are, can you say it again, my dear Lily?
Ay, ala na. Ayan.
The color of the living room are orange.
Very good, my dear Lily. Good job. The last one, my dear Anna, what color of the kitchen room?
The color of the kitchen room of the living room are of the kitchen are green and white.
Very good. Good job, my dear Anna. You did a great job. Okay, you did a great job, my dear Lily and Anna. Okay, next. Okay, next, my dear Lily and Anna, you have to listen and draw the lines. Okay. So number 2, my dear. Where is the... Okay, number 2, what is this? My dear Lilia. What is that, my dear Lily? Number 2? Hmm?
The clock is living
Okay, number 2, my dear, what is this? Number 2, my dear Lily, what is
number
this?
2 is
What is this?
television.
Again, can you say it again?
Is television.
Again, can you say it again?
Number 2 is television. Is television.
My dear Anna, number 2, what is this?
Is computer room.
Okay. Okay, again, this is a computer.
This is computer.
Okay, good job, my dear Anna. Okay. Oh, sorry. Next, my dear Lily. Number 3, what is this? My dear Lily, what is this?
Is television.
Okay, number 3. This one, what is this? Number 3.
Is picture.
Okay. Can you say it again? This is a photo.
This is a picture.
Again, this is... My dear Lily, this is...
This is a picture.
Okay. Good job, but this is a photo. You have to say this one, my dear. This is a photo. Okay, again, what is this?
Photo.
Okay, again, this is... You have to complete
This
this.
is
Very good, my dear Lily. Okay, next, dear Anna, what is this? Number 4.
this is a lamp.
Good job. My dear Anna, very good. Next, my dear Lily, number 5, what is this?
Is lamp.
Number 5, my dear Lily.
This is a lamp?
No, I mean number 5. You have to answer number 5. This one.
This is a a
Radio.
radio.
Very good. Again, this is a radio.
Radio.
Okay, again, this is
This is a radio.
good job, my dear. Very good. Next, my dear Lilia, number 6. What is this? You have this in your bedroom.
No. Ano?
Number 6, my dear, you have this. My dear Anna, you have this in a bedroom, I mean, sorry. You have this in a bedroom. What do you call this?
This is
If you're going to sleep, you have that. This is, oh, sorry. This is a map. Again, my dear Anna. Very good. Good job. Sorry, my dear Anna. Okay, next, dear Lily. Number 7, what is this? My dear Lily, what is this? Number 7?
This is this is this is a
Number 7, my dear Lilia.
is mirror.
Very good. Again, this is a mirror.
This is a
Mirror.
mirror.
Very good, my dear Lily. Next, my dear Anna, what is this? Number 8.
This is a tool.
Good job, my dear Lily. My dear Anna. Okay, you did a great job, my dear Lily and Anna. Okay. Okay, my dear Lily, for example, the lab is in the living room. How about the photo, my dear Anna? Where is the photo?
The photo is the photo is home.
Very good. Okay, again, job. Again, my dear, the photo is in the hole.
The photo is in the home.
Very good, my dear Anna. Dear Lily, where is the clock?
Is
The clock.
the
Again.
bedroom.
The clock. Oh, sorry. Again. The clock.
The clock is bedroom.
Very good, my dear. Good job. Next, my dear Anna, where is the map?
The map is in the bathroom.
Very good, my dear Anna. Okay, dear Lily, where is the mirror?
The mirror is in the bathroom.
Are you sure the mirror is in the bathroom? What is this? My dear Lily, again, number 7, where is the mirror?
The mirror is in the
Okay, again, my dear Lily, I can't hear you. The mirror.
is in the bathroom.
Very good. Good job, my dear Lily. Next, my dear Anna, where is the tree?
The tree is in the garden.
Okay, again. My dear, you have to say this one. In is equals to inside. My dear. My dear Anna. Okay, on is equals to outside. Okay, again, my dear, you have to put on when the things is on the outside. Okay, again, the tree is on the outside. Can you say that one, my dear Anna?
The tree is in the outside.
Okay, again, you have to put this one, my dear, because the tree is on the outside. So again, where is the tree?
The tree is on the outside.
Yes, that's right, my dear Anna. You did a great job. Very good. Next, my dear. Okay. My dear Lily, which picture has no line? My dear Lily, which picture has no line? What do you think?
Picture has no line.
Yes.
Is
Computer.
computer.
Very good, my dear Lily. You did a great job. Okay. So we will go to our next topic. So my dear, my dear Anna and Lily, you have to look, read, and answer. Okay, write the answer about the house. My dear Anna, where is the photo? In the?
In the hole.
Very good. My dear Lily, where is the mat? My dear Lily, where is the mat?
In the bathroom.
Very good, my dear Lily. Dear Anna, where is the clock?
In the bedroom.
Very good. My dear Lily, where is the lamp?
In the dining room.
Very good, my dear Lily. Next, my dear Anna, last one. Where is the mirror?
In the living room.
That's how. Very good. Okay.
Mm.
My dear Anna, my dear Lily, where is he?
He is um, he is
He is in the,
my tea.
again, can you say it
Who's
again?
my tea?
Okay, again, where is he? Where? Oh, sorry.
In the bathroom.
Again, he is in the,
He is in the bathroom.
very again, my dear Lily. Next, my dear Anna, where is she?
He is
She,
she is
she, she is in,
she is
what?
in sofa
Okay, very good. Or living room.
or living room.
Okay, again. She is, or she is in the, she is in
She
the
is she
living room.
is the living room.
That's how I dear. Next, where are they? My dear Lily, where are they? Oh, sorry, dear Anna, where are they?
They are
What do you call that? Garden.
they are garden.
Okay, again. They are on,
They are on the garden.
okay. Next, where is Tony?
Tony
Yes.
is sleep at
He
Tony
is, Tony.
Tony is
Tony is in
in the
the,
bedroom.
very good. That's right, my dear Anna. Next, where are they?
They are in the canteen.
Are you sure? What do you call that? If you want to eat with your family in your house, what do you call that?
They are they are in the dining room.
Yes, that's right, my dear Anna. You did a great job. Okay, next. Is she in the bedroom?
Yes, she is.
Okay, very good. Okay, you have to say this one. Yes, she is in the bathroom. Yes, she is in the bedroom. Can you say it? again, my dear?
Yes, she is in the bedroom.
Very good, my dear Lily. My dear Anna. Okay, my dear Anna, is Lucy in the garden?
No, Lucy is in the garden.
Very good. Good job. Next, number 8. Is he in the garden?
Yes, he is in the garden.
Very good, my dear Anna. Next, dear Anna, are they in the bedroom?
No, they aren't in the bedroom.
Yes, my dear Anna, good job. Next. Okay, so my dear Anna, you have to read and write which home words can you see in the mirror. Okay. What did Okay, for example, wall. How about number 1? What do you see in the mirror? Do we have that in your house?
Each window.
Very good. Good job, my dear. Okay, next, number 2, my dear Anna. Yes, that's right.
Door.
Very good. Good job. Next, my dear Anna, number 3.
Is table.
Very good. Okay, next, number 4.
Is television.
Good job, my dear Anna. Next, my dear Anna, the last one, number 5.
Is bookcase.
Yes, very good. You did a great job, my dear Anna. Very good. Okay, how many windows are there, my dear Anna?
There are 3 windows.
Very good. Good job. Very good. Oh, how many again?
There are 4 windows.
Very good, my dear. Good job. Okay, where are the windows?
The windows is in the bedroom, living room, dining room, and kitchen room.
Yes.
Kitchen.
Kitchen only. Very good, my dear Anna. You did a great job. Okay, in the kitchen, dining, living room, and bedroom. Very good. Okay. My dear Anna, what is this?
This is a table.
Okay, again. This is
This is a desk.
very good, my dear Anna. Very good. Have you got a desk?
Yes, I have.
What do you put in your desk? Here.
Uh,
What do you put in here in your desk? Oh, okay, my dear. That is your homework, my dear. Okay?
yes,
Okay. So, what do you put in or on your desk? Okay?
yes.
Yeah. Okay, thank you very much, my dear Anna. I think your your classmate is they didn't have connection, I think. Where's Rosie? I think you are in the same house. Where's Rosie? Okay, again. Wait, my dear. Where Rosie? I think you have the same house.
Oh,
No.
No. Oh,
no.
why
Kaya lagi na
on
kapag, ay,
Wednesday she is in your house?
Ganun lang. Dadala na lang kami.
Um,
Lagi. Lagi.
I went to my friend's house to play.
I see. So you are the one who's in her house, right? Sorry. Right, my dear Anna? Or
No.
or another house? Or your or your house? Or your friend's house?
Oo, manuno. Di ba aniya? Alina, dasang kang akong cellphone.
My dear Anna?
Uh,
Nang hapon na.
I went to Rosie's house.
I see. To play with her.
Hmm?
To play with her.
Duwag niya habol.
Yes.
I see. That's
Abet.
okay. So, my dear, that's all for today. And thank you. Goodbye. Good night. See you.
Goodbye, teacher.
Okay,
See
goodbye.
you again.
Okay, see you again.